time. And essentially, parang one loss, ma-out na kayo. Ano naman masabi sa Laro mo?
Well, the team is very resilient. I think Morocco ever since have been resilient. We came into the last 2 days really trying to prepare. Of course, mayroon kami bagong import, so medyo mahirap din yung preparation. Simple din yung mga ginagawa namin. Pero Patrick responded for us today. He was big for us. Siyempre kami off the bench, kailangan din namin mag-respond because it's basically win or go home. If you go down 3-1, it's really hard to get back in the series. So, yun lang, just going into the next couple of games just to continue to play hard, continue to play together, and then continue to get Patrick acclimated sa team namin. Because he's a good character, he works hard. You could see it the first few days pa lang na pasok talaga siya sa team namin.
Personally for you sa laro mo ngayon, because past games, not much production from you, but now, big game for you. Ikaw, ano
Well,
gusto
just
laro mo?
trying to make the most of whatever opportunities given to me. I think I continue to put my work in every single day. My teammates found me today. I was able to make some shots, and it's good to get a good game like this, get confidence up. At the same time, I continue to put my work in no matter what. So I'll just continue to stay ready.
Does it also help na si Patrick kasi like touch from the outside, nakatulong rin ba sa
Yeah,
iyo
definitely. I
personally?
think even just his passing, you could see his passing today and the way he spaces the floor. You know, he's a smart player. He's a guy that we can really help us in this series and hopefully in the next series as well.
From your perspective, how huge is this win? Although na-mention mo na rin na natalo na kayo rito, out na, but how
Well, it's
huge is
big. I mean, last game was tough for us, So we could have easily folded after that loss. Everybody was talking about us kasi nga, walang import yung TNT noon and then. But for us, we dug in, we understood what we needed to do, and thankfully today the shots were falling and we were able to get a lot of stops today. It always starts on defense when it comes to us, so thankfully, we've been doing a good job. Even last game actually. Pero finally today nakashoot na rin kami, gumanda yung offense namin.